Hoiny hoin hoin. Love the street.
We're back in Bucktown.
It's a beautiful, beautiful area. And it borders right on Wicker Park. You're still close to train. Listen, we can hear it a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
But it's Bucktown. A lot of pride out here.
The house we're looking at today is $560,000. The current lot is 100 deep instead of 125. So you're gonna get a slightly smaller house. 4 bedrooms, so.
4 is good.
There she is.
Wow.
The house was built in 1888 and it's about 2,000 square feet.
Okay. I like the A-frame. I think it's charming.
Yeah.
Somebody put a little paint into it. Patriotic paint. Okay. What is this? You have a border of faux parquet, and then you just do an insert of real wood. That color, this is bubblegum pink.
Mint. It's
Yeah.
delicious mint.
Looks like a box of crayons. What is this? What the heck do you do in here? What is this?
That's when you go when you're bad.
What would they use it for? This is the cat holding room. Creepy. I mean, I kind of like this. I love this kind of entrance to the entrance.
A little separation.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
That way we spend a little less money. We still can keep this. This is obviously the dining room. So awful. Where's the toilet? There's not even a hole for the toilet. What is this, a gym locker room? Ooh, another floor.
Please say hello to your one kitchen cabinet.
This is terrifying. There's so many openings. So buy, what's over here? Pantry. No!
Up.
Little bit of a step up, but don't worry, you'll see that step up because they put the same floor up there.
Yeah. How's it going out there?
Just making dinner.
You could be in here and you could be prepping vegetables.
If I can gain all this room, this gains all the space in the kitchen. You've taken this out. This could be part of the kitchen too. How many more feet can I go back?
Approximately 6 feet.
Oh, not a lot, but enough. But if you think we can go out 6 feet, I want to see back there.
Check it out.
Oh, watch your step there. Okay, if we do this, we're gonna move it out 6 feet.
The addition comes out to right about here.
Okay. It's not a big yard.
Still, there's a little area back here.
Yeah, we'd have to make a real garage.
Yeah, so that garage comes down. It'll be a frame garage with siding.
Okay, let's go upstairs. What is this? All these tiny, weird rooms.
No.
It's a beautiful mess.
This sink is kind of cool. I think you could, use it somewhere.
Maybe like a Jack and Jill bath.
Yeah.
Cute idea, stays. This bathroom has a toilet, so that's good. I mean, these are really small spaces.
Yeah.
The stairs have to be reconfigured. The carpet's giving me a migraine.
Everything
This
goes.
This has to be bedrooms and everything up here.
Yeah.
Roof comes off.
This up.
Up, up, out. We need to increase the ceiling height of the second floor to really make this appealing to anybody. You got all these weird kind of angles and you're ducking or whatever. I would never have to duck, but normal people. You think we can get 4 bedrooms in this house?
Correct.
All right.
Let's get out of here.
Okay. I love it. I love the street. I love the fact that it's like next to this mega mansion. So what do you think we can actually get this for?
Between 550 and 555.
So 550. 125 on the outside, bringing it out, the entire house out 6 feet, plus a new garage and the whole first floor. 200, adding another bedroom, doing that basement, 50.
75 on the second floor.
Okay, so that's putting us what?
450,000.
So 450.
If we get it for 550, 450, we're all in right about $1 million.
Right.
Let's say we hit our 1375.
Sales price,
Yeah.
1375.
So it's approximately a $375,000 profit.
Yeah.
The only thing that makes me a little hesitant is the shallow lot, only being 100
Yeah.
deep.
No, you're not getting the full potential on it. Families want yards. Families have children.
They've got dogs.
They have dogs, and they don't have a front yard.
Right.
That's a little scary. But the payoff, I don't know. It's a great option. We closed on it, it's ours. So I'm just excited to get started. That house has been pretty much stripped of everything it once was. So this house is coming pretty much just to the brick. Outside, we're gonna replace the A-frame with a flat roof with a oversized cornice. But the real showstopper is the entrance. These oversized double doors framed by a 200-year-old gold-gilded molding. The floor plans are gonna be completely new. In the front of the house, I'm doing this vintage fireplace surround with a really nice seating area. The kitchen's gonna get a more modern feel with one of my custom brass and black hoods. And we're doing manufactured marble backsplash and countertops all throughout. In the back of the house, in the family room, I'm doing another fireplace. This will be wood burning. We're gonna open up the space upstairs for a bedroom, a secondary bathroom, and a huge master bed and bath. This is a big before and after. There we go.
Hit it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Did that happen?
Everything is gonna come out of the inside. We're gonna have all new electrical, mechanical, and plumbing in the inside of this home. With homes this old, we typically have to demo them all the way down to the studs. The electrical and plumbing isn't worth saving.
We are making it a little larger and increasing the square footage, deconverting it back to a single-family home that it once was.
We'll leave basically the brick structure. We started by excavating out the basement, breaking out the existing concrete slab, and then we realized we had underpins to make sure that the building doesn't collapse. So reinforcing the current foundation by pouring concrete under the footing. We're taking the roof off at Hoyne. We're gonna add a whole nother level up there. We're doing it by hand because if you take it off too quick, the building could start to go one way or the other. We could lose this building at any point. They're good old masonry walls that have been here for 110 years, so it's important for us to save those. Once the roof is off, we're gonna add a whole nother level up there. Take out that next level of old floor joists as well and replace those with new floor joists and sections. That's a good way for us to hide all of our mechanicals, electrical, and plumbing. Those joists will be bolted to the brick to hold the structure together. Then we'll put the plywood down, and then once that's down, we'll put the new roof on.
We have 2 fireplace surrounds. These are both out of England.
Yeah, this one's really pretty.
So the whole look of this house is like a London flat.
Oh, cool.
You know, so it's all very much tied in. So I'm gonna come in, miter it, and then do a really cool custom brass piece here.
Okay.
Let's flip this one. This is awesome. I actually love the finish.
Yeah, it's cool.
I want to keep the history. You can't get detail like this anymore without paying big bucks. I did not pay that much for it.
Yeah, I would charge you a lot for this.
Yeah, but this is not going to be as simple. So this surround
Yeah,
is unbelievable.
that's amazing.
Hands down, the most beautiful piece I've ever found, ever. It is the inspiration for this house, so I think it's very special to me because it's that moment. For every designer, there's a moment. This will be the surround around the new custom doors that you are going to build.
Oh, boy.
Oh, I want to keep it.
92 by 80.
You're going to build the doors.
What do you want the doors to look like?
The doors themselves will be 9 feet. 2 panel on each door. Center rosette handle. I'm gonna find some really cool antiques.
Okay.
And these are gonna be black, because I think the gold with the black on the front would be.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
These things need to be solid.
That's what this is right here.
Okay,
Hard
good.
maple.
And in the interim, I'll find the dummy knobs.
Okay.
This house is gonna be the best looking house that we've done.
Yeah.
All of these pieces that I know that I am bringing life back into and putting into their next home, that makes me feel really good. Over the weekend, the front stairs were poured. I'm so glad I went really grand with them. We are going to be doing a little extra railing in this house, meaning I'm pretty sure my budget doesn't cover it.
This is the next step that we really need to get this moving. Finally, we can actually finish this house.
Hoyne does not have any history left on the facade. So it's my job to bring history in, and the front door casing, hands down, the most beautiful piece I've ever found, ever. That piece is the conversation piece. These are places that people stop and take pictures of them because of these really cool pieces that we incorporate. And it has a story, and it's got a new beginning. Hi, guys.
Hi, Alison.
The look of Hoyne is very London flat. I want this to feel like this house has been there for 100 years. So the flooring has to reflect that. I want it to look aged and walked on and something different than the norm. Are you gonna show me the stain today?
Yes.
Okay.
It's acid. I
Oh,
just
it's
apply.
acid. So the longer you leave this on, it just
dark
keeps
is gone.
getting darker. Look at that turning.
Let's try to put the silver gray here. Let's see what's going to come out.
Oh, that's like full-blown silver. No. This is a $1.4 million home. You don't want the stairs to look like an afterthought. Just go buy some stain, do some mixing, and then I can come back and look at it.
I'm going to do the stain after I paint.
No, but we only have a week and a half. Flooring will be down, cabinets will be in, right?
Yeah.
For sure.
I still feel her here.
I know, I'm freaking out though. And we don't have any time. Let me know when you're done so I can come and look at them.
No problem.
Okay. Ah, railings. Thank you. It's like Christmas now. Are these going all the way up or just here?
No, it's just here.
Okay, this looks so good, you guys. This is when it starts feeling like a house. So I wanted everything to feel open, even into the basement. So to bring a railing like this into every single level opens up your walkways.
Pretty much everything that can be going on at once is going on at once. We've got countertops, we've got painters, we've got plumbers, we've got electricians, we've got carpet. Pretty much everything that can be done in one day, we're trying to get done in one day.
I'm doing 2 fireplaces in the house, one in the front and one in the back. I found 2 awesome mantles that are actually both from England. Real quick question on this, just because obviously we've got our decorative piece here. One of them is super ornate, hand-carved, really beautiful finish, and that one's gonna be used for my wood-burning fireplace. I wanna keep this. This thing's like,
Super, 1850s
perfect.
probably.
I love this. We're gonna have heat in the house tomorrow. Then we could do the glaze on it. Then what I need is these dimensions around so I can have the marble cut for it. Okay.
So I've got a bunch of curvings here. Thought these would be kind of cool.
Oh my God, I love these.
So there's a yin and a yang.
And then we'll come in and do that brown glaze on it.
Yeah.
So it looks like this.
So when you step back, it looks part of the whole thing.
Oh, I love that. Very regal, very royal.
We purchased the property for $553,000. Our renovation costs currently are right around $551,700. So that puts us all in at $1,104,700.
Now we are ready to show it off to some potential buyers.
Oh my goodness, how stunning. Wow. She did such a fabulous job.
The exterior of this house is one of the biggest transformations of my career. We didn't just rip the face off, we ripped the roof off. We built all the way up and all the way back. The cornice it's grand, it's sophisticated. And the surround around the front doors is my biggest source of inspiration for this home. To find a casing like that with the history that it has is pretty spectacular. Hi! Aren't these doors grand?
Oh my gosh,
How
we
are
were
you?
just talking about that.
What's your name?
Sinead.
Sinead, nice to meet you.
Ryan, nice
Ryan,
to meet you.
nice to meet you. This is Donovan.
Hi, Sinead, how you doing?
Nice to meet you. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, what do you guys think of the exterior?
Really, really, really
Amazing,
pretty.
yeah.
There really is no other house in Chicago that looks or feels this way.
Right.
We're so excited about the front, but the inside's even better.
It's even better.
I can't wait.
Come in.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous the fireplace is.
What do you think?
I love it. Wow.
I'm impressed.
You walk in and get this open floor plan where you've got 2 fireplaces. The front fireplace, we did this gorgeous surround that was from England because I wanted that whole London flat feel with that clean line marble around the firebox. And you truly are mixing old with new, and it's a real statement.
I'm noticing the floor.
This flooring, it's form and function. We matched the species of wood
Oh, nice.
in white oak, matching our treads all the way up. It runs throughout the first floor and the second floor.
It really brings you through the space.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
I know, I love it. It's my favorite kitchen that I've ever designed. You've got this manufactured marble.
Very luxurious.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
I noticed, what did you do here?
Well, that is called the 50-50. It's an Alison Victoria original. I've got that same really cool clean line as my stair railings that angles up. I did a full backsplash out of manufactured marble and allows that hood to be the centerpiece. Base cabinets are all black, and then I did this unlacquered brass pull.
I feel like there's things that are hidden on this side over here. It's just so sleek.
Yeah, paneled appliances. That's really important in kitchens these days. It's all custom and hidden. And then the powder room. It's a huge space.
Oh wow, it is huge.
So the inspiration in here was this vanity. It was an old dresser.
I love that there's that history behind the vanity. You're not gonna find that anywhere. And that's what we're looking for in a house in Chicago.